Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 291 player has been removed from the data model. It's very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. First thing to do is to open your browser, then go to Roblux Home, and after going to Roblox and logging in, all you have to do is to go to support. And to do this and go to support, all you have to do is to scroll down till you find this option right here, help. Tap on it. Then go down till you find contact us. Then go to support form. After that, you should type here your username, first name, email address, then confirm your email address. And here you can select the device that you have the problem on. Let's say that you have this problem on your PC, so you're gonna choose this option right here, PC. Then you're gonna choose the type of help category, and as you can see here, when you click on it, it will show you many options. And according to the issue that you have, you should choose one of these options right here. And actually, you don't have to be very accurate when choosing this help category. I will just choose technical support. Then you have to choose another option. I can choose that I have Roblox crashing, for example. Then you can here describe the issue. Just type your issue here, your problem, the message that pop out when you open the game. You can type here that you have error code 291. The player has been removed from the data model. And when you type this code of the problem, this will help them to recognize the issue and help you fix it as soon as possible. So as I said before, you don't have to be accurate when you choose the type of help category. And that is it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.